Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andina Yulianti from 3B.
Hello everyone, let me to introduce myself. My name is Irvania Pramuswari from semester 3B.
Hello, my name is Tarisya Dinda Oktaviani from 3B.
One basic concept of production system. Basically, the production system is a process of transforming input into output. Or in other words, production is a process of converting input into output. Based on this definition, the production system has three main components, namely input, output, and process. Artesler 2004 call it a conversion process. Three components can be seen in the following figure. Input consists of raw material, labor, market information, consumer needs, needs of company owners, capital, machine. Conversion consists of transportation, procedure, technology, production system, production process, machine management, employee monitoring. Output consists of direct output and indirect output. Direct output is things and service. Indirect output is wages or salaries, environmental impact, and social impact. We take the example of a shoe manufacturing company. Inputs for shoemaking or producing companies can be in the form of shoe leather, thread, glue, shoe dye to shoemaking workers with special skills. The entire input will then be processed in a production process or a conversion process, wherein the conversion there is a procedure for how workers can complete the shoemaking process based on a certain time and amount.
In decision making as stated by Disler, there are four fundamental elements in making decision related to the design of the production system. 1. Production location or plant location, namely a decision about where production will be carried out, such as a company engaged in the restaurant business, but its location far away in the community may cause the level of sales at the company to be low. 2. Type or production process. There are two types, namely the intermittent production system, namely the production system in which the management of production activities is not continuous or continuous and uses a start to finish pattern. That is, the certainty about when to start this production process is production based on order or orders. There are two types of production pattern that use this intermittent system, namely mass production, which generally applies to manufacturing companies. Certain production, certain procedure, and the number of certain product units that are routinely production and then offered to consumer. Mass choice means that the product produced by the company provide flexibility to consumer, thereby production a greater variety of product than mass production. A continuous production system is a production system where the management of production activities is continuous and for a relatively long period of time. Synthesis production, synthetic. The production process that produces one type of product from various types of raw material, for example, such as radio, which combines various small components into a radio. Analytical production, a production process that produces several types of products from one type of raw material. For example, such as a factory that produces types of food made from chicken into sauce nuggets that are ready. 3. Production house design or plant layout. What is meant by production house here is a place where production activities are carried out in the form of an office, factory each, including the various facilities contained therein. A decision regarding the design of a production house means a decision regarding how a company designs a production site from facilities, workers, workspace, warehouse, and order. 4. Production system layout, regarding how the conversion process in the production system is carried out, starting from product design, process, fixed position, and cellular model.
3. Quality is the completeness of the features and benefit of a product produced by the company and the product's ability to meet consumer desires. In other words, quality can be measured to what extent the product is produced in accordance with consumer desires. Based on this understanding, quality can mean two things. The first is that consumer desires and satisfaction are the main standards in determining product quality, and secondly, high quality does not always mean the price has to be expensive, or in other words, as long as the product meets consumer desires, the quality standard is met.
What is new product development? New product development is the total process that takes a service or product from conception to market. New or rebranded product and service are meant to fill a consumer demand or an opportunity in the marketplace. The steps in product development include drafting the concept, creating the design, developing the product or service, and defining the market. A new product opens a whole new market. It can completely replace a current product, take over an existing product, or simply broaden the market for something that already exists. Sometimes existing products are introduced to new markets, repackaged, or marketed differently. New product can improve the use of a company resource, launch a company into a new market or segment of the market, improve the relationship a company has with its distributor, or increase or define a company market share.
Production policy. Production policy is a description of how the production costs will be activated. An operating policy should be established for each category of decision concerning process, capacity, quality, supply, and risks of work. Operational policies must be made with strategic consideration in mind. Some of the main causes of operational policies can be seen in the following table. Line 201. Policy type, process, capacity, stock, quality, length of work. Policy area, automatic, process flow, seasonalities, location, amount on, description, survey violence system, art, supplier, fixation, sally system, justifying. Choice of strategy, make or buy, handmade or machine, continuous intermittent project, large or small villages near the market, low cost or both, high or low inventory, warehouse, burn or chargeless, take or lose, invention or inspection, cost or quality selection, high or low, insective or not, a lot or a little.